This video will help you to install Desktop Central agents using the GPO Lightweight tool. In the server machine, type in localhost followed by :8020. The default username and password is admin. Navigate to the Admin tab and select Scope of Management. Under the Computers tab, download the agent corresponding to your office. Extract the contents, go to the link shown, download the GPO tool script, and save it as PS1 file in the same folder. Repeat this step for PS install agent script. Copy the location of the folder, run Windows PowerShell in administrative mode, type in CD, and paste the location. Copy the command from the web page and paste it into Windows PowerShell. Provide a name for this group policy. To find the distinguished name, open Server Manager and under Tools, select Active Directory Users and Computers. Ensure that advanced features are enabled. Now, go to the properties of the organizational unit or domain that you want the group policy object to be linked with. Under Attribute Editor, copy the distinguished name and paste it into the PowerShell window. If you want to add another domain or organizational unit, type Y and repeat the process. Otherwise, press N. The agents will be automatically installed when the client computers are rebooted. You have successfully deployed agents using GPO Lightweight tool.